Goosebumps, scientifically known as piloerection, are a physiological response that occurs in both humans and animals when they experience certain stimuli. This phenomenon is characterized by the temporary raising of the small, fine hairs on the skin, creating a bumpy or prickly appearance. While goosebumps are often associated with fear or cold temperatures, they have a more intricate and evolutionary significance. The primary cause of goosebumps is the contraction of tiny muscles known as arrector pili muscles, which are connected to hair follicles. When these muscles contract, they pull on the hair follicles, causing the hair to stand on end. In animals with thicker fur, this response serves as a means of insulation by trapping a layer of air close to the skin, providing extra warmth. In humans, who have less body hair than many animals, this response is less effective for thermal regulation, but is still present as a vestige of our evolutionary history. One of the most well-known triggers of goosebumps is exposure to cold temperatures. When your body senses a drop in temperature, it activates the arrector pili muscles to create goosebumps. The idea behind this response is to trap a layer of air close to the skin, which acts as an insulating barrier to help conserve body heat. This is why you may notice goosebumps when you're cold. It's your body's attempt to keep you warm. Goosebumps can also occur in response to strong emotions, such as fear, excitement, or arousal. This is due to the release of adrenaline, a hormone that prepares the body for a fight-or-flight response. When adrenaline is released, it can stimulate the arrector pili muscles to contract, causing the characteristic appearance of goosebumps. This response is a relic from our evolutionary ancestors, who would puff up their fur to appear larger and more intimidating when facing threats. Another less common trigger for goosebumps is a reaction to certain types of stimuli, like intense emotional moments in music, movies, or literature. Some people experience goosebumps when they are deeply moved or emotionally engaged by a piece of art or a poignant moment. In summary, goosebumps are a fascinating physiological response with evolutionary roots. While their primary function in humans for temperature regulation is limited due to reduced body hair, they still serve as a vestige of our ancestral adaptations. Additionally, they can be triggered by various emotional and environmental factors, from cold temperatures to intense emotions, and even by powerful sensory experiences. Understanding the mechanisms behind goosebumps offers insight into the complexity of the human body's response to its environment and emotions.